So, you've got FavePay, and you're ready to start using it. But what card should you pair it with? Let's dive right in. FavePay is a fantastic tool that lets you pay for your favorite things, from food to fashion, with ease. But choosing the right card to pair with it can make a world of difference. The ideal card, a breakdown. A great FavePay card should ideally offer rewards. You want to earn something back on every purchase, right? Have low fees. No one likes hidden charges. Provide security. Your financial information should be safe and sound. Be user-friendly, a straightforward card that's easy to manage. Top card contenders. Let's look at some of the top cards that might be a good fit for your FavePay needs. The cashback card. Pros, offers a percentage back on every purchase, no matter where you shop. Cons, might have a lower reward rate for specific categories like dining or travel. The rewards card. Pros, earns points that can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or cash back. Cons, often has a higher annual fee and might not offer the best rewards for everyday spending. The balance transfer card. Pros, low introductory APR for balance transfers. Cons, high regular APR and potential fees, so it's best for short-term debt consolidation. The secured credit card. Pros, a good option for building credit history. Cons, requires a security deposit and might have higher fees. The best choice for FavePay. While each card has its strengths, for optimal FavePay usage, a cashback card often shines. Here's why. Versatility. You earn rewards on all your FavePay purchases, regardless of the merchant. Simplicity. No complex point systems or redemption restrictions. Immediate benefits. Your rewards are often credited directly to your account. Additional tips. Check the terms. Always read the fine print to understand fees, interest rates, and reward caps. Consider your spending habits. If you frequently use FavePay for specific categories, a rewards card might be more beneficial. Prioritize security. Choose a card with strong fraud protection features. With the right card, you can maximize your FavePay experience. Remember to weigh your options, consider your spending habits, and prioritize rewards, fees, and security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.